फॉर रेजिस्टेंस आता हुआ। अच्छा, इस बीच आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांता दास फाइनेंशियल रेजिलियंस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोल रहे हैं, वहां पर एक बार सुन लेते हैं।
Comes out clearly in our recent stress test results. The gross NPA ratio, that is the gross non-performing asset ratio for the scheduled commercial banks in India, was 4.41% at the end of December 2022, down from 5.8% on March 31st, 2022, and 7.3% as on March 31st, 2021. The CRAR at 16.1% at the end of December 22 is also much above the minimum regulatory requirement. Macro stress tests for credit risk indicate that scheduled commercial banks would be able to comply with the minimum capital requirements even under severe stress situations. Nevertheless, recent events in the banking landscape of the United States and Europe suggest that risks for an individual bank could crop up from segments of its balance sheet which might have been considered relatively safer. Hence, we expect the management and board of directors of each bank to continually assess the financial risks and focus on building up adequate capital and liquidity buffers even beyond the minimum regulatory requirements. And this is required for continued resilience and sustainable growth of individual banks and financial entities. Now, turning to operational resilience, let me say that operational resilience would mean that a bank should be able to deliver critical services even in face of disruptions. Cyber risks and possible cyber attacks are on top of the list so far as such disruptions are concerned. Cyber risk has been identified as the foremost in top 10 operational risks for 2023 based on a global survey of financial institutions. The Bank for International Settlements, that is BIS, while revising the principles for sound management of operational risks in 2021, introduced a specific principle on information and communications technology, that is ITC risk management, reflecting the importance of this risk. Robust IT and information security governance would help in increased predictability and reduction of uncertainty in operations, minimize losses from information security related incidents, and enhance operational resilience. Given the extensive level of outsourcing being done by the banks and by other financial entities, there is even greater need for ensuring that effective policies and practices are put in place in this regard.
तो आरबीआई गवर्नर कुछ साफ कहते हुए कि देखिए यूएस बैंकिंग संकट के बीच भारतीय बैंक्स के जो सिस्टम्स है वो काफी मजबूत है। उन्होंने हालांकि इस बीच आगाह किया है कि बैंकों को इस समय फोकस इस बात पर करना है कि कैपिटल और लिक्विडिटी बफर्स को मेंटेन करें। जो आरबीआई की गाइडलाइन है उससे ज्यादा लिक्विडिटी बफर रहेगा तो और भी कंफर्ट देखने को मिलेगा। वैसे एसेट क्वालिटी में काफी सुधार देखा गया है पिछले 3-4 क्वार्टर्स में, और ऑफ कोर्स Q4 में हम देख ही रहे हैं कि सिचुएशन और इंप्रूव ही हो रही है जब बैंक्स अपने नतीजे पेश कर रहे हैं। चलिए अब फोकस करते हैं कि आज का ट्रेड हमारे जानकार क्या लेंगे। तो एक